Hello everyone, I am back with the another chapter, that is national income and the measurement, or we can say the related aggregates. We can see the terms of related aggregate regarding national income. What is the basic meaning of national income? National income means the net money value of all final goods and services. Okay, what do you mean by net money value? Net money value means there are two types of money values, that is gross value and net value. Why we can say the gross means the total value of goods and services. In gross value there is a addition of depreciation, and net value there is a deduction of depreciation. That is the difference of gross value and net value. So national income is a net value of all final goods and services that we can produce in our country or boundary of the country within an accounting year. See the meaning of national income. National income is the money value of all the goods and services produced by the country during a period of 1 year. National income consists of of a collection of different types of goods and services. It means there are many goods and services that are produced by the organization and as well as individuals in an accounting year, but it is not possible to add up all their original states. Okay, they need to be expressed in common terms in money, which is money. Okay, there are some national income money measures. How we can measure our money national income at a national level? That net value of all the goods and services, that means there is a deduction of depreciation. Next, of an economy during an account, what we can earn in a particular year, that is also we can calculate. There is a factor income, rent, interest, wages, profit. We can include it or added all these values, we can get the economy during an year. Counted without duplication, we had already learned that is counted without duplication. Value added services, this is the example of value added services. After having allowed for depreciation, definitely book both in the public and private sector, and in consumption and capital goods sector. And the seventh one, that is final throwing net gains. Okay, it generally means that is income earned or invest in abroad. The 7th point meaning is income earn or invest in the abroad. There is example, see the example. If the value of a meter of cloth is rupees 20 and the total cloth produced is 100 meters, then the money value of cloth is rupees 2000. In this way, we can find out the value of other goods and services and the total values of all the goods and services produced during 1 year or an accounting year. There are also basic concepts, that is GDP, NDP, GNP, NNP, gross domestic product, that is total value where whatever the goods and produce within the boundary within the country, that is called gross domestic product. If we deducted from gross domestic product minus depreciation, we get net domestic product. That same here, similarly gross national income, if we deducted depreciation, we get the net national product, NNP. Let's discuss these topics in detail, that is gross domestic product at factor cost. There are two types of cost, factor cost and market price. We will discuss further what is market price and what is factor cost. We were only discussing about these concepts. See, what do you mean by GDP, gross domestic product? Gross domestic product refers to all that money, total money value. There is a gross value means we were discussing about the total value, total money value. Which money value of goods and services, which excluding net indirect taxes, they were excluding the net indirect taxes, not included the indirect taxes. They are produced within the domestic territory of a nation within one accounting year, or we can say one accounting period. Next, gross domestic product. Domestic product means territory. We have already discussed the territory for political foreign. Next definition or next concept is net domestic product. Net domestic product means it is also calculating with the money value of all the final goods and services that are produced within the domestic territory of a nation, and it also excluding the net indirect taxes and depreciation also. Okay, here is the formula of NDP, net domestic product, that is GDP minus depreciation, we get the net value. Each and every from gross money value we can deducting or separating the depreciation, we can get the net value of particular product. Another concept is gross national product. Okay, what do you mean by gross national product? Gross national product also refers to the gross or total money value of all the final goods and services are produced by the residents living within the boundaries of a nation during one accounting year, which is excluding net indirect taxes. Okay, what is the formula of GNP, gross national? That is GDP plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad. What is the factor income? Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. What we get from land, that is rent. What we get from capital, that is interest. From labor we can get the wages, and from entrepreneur there is the earning is profit. So these all are the factor income. So these factor income earned from the abroad, that value would be added in the gross domestic product, we can get the gross national product. Here the last topic in this video, that is net national product. It can be also derived from the subtracting depreciation allowed from GNP, and it can also be found out by the adding the net factor income from abroad to the net domestic product. That means NNP, how could we find NNP? That is GNP, gross national product, deducting the depreciation we get NNP. And also net domestic product, if we adding NFIA, net factor income from abroad, we can also get the net national product. I hope all the topics has been clear with you.